Welcome to the Lazee Profitz demo. Now, Lazee Profitz has been created to have one thing in mind, and that is to be the laziest and easiest affiliate review site builder that you'll ever see. In fact, when you use this Lazee Profitz software, you will be able to access exactly what myself and Mosh have been using to generate over $50,000 per month. So let me show you how easy it is to use Lazee Profitz. So let me show you the Lazee Profitz site. Now you're going to get access to one of these done for you commission sites instantly as soon as you get inside Lazee Profitz. Now here you can see the reviews that you get access to. Okay, and you get 20 plus of these reviews, and if we click on one of them, you can see here that you can either start building an email list here, you can get the whole review already done for you so you don't have to create a single review or article ever, and everything's included, including the bonuses. So all that is taken care of, and it lists the OTOs and the OTO bonuses as well. So first and foremost, you're going to get access to a complete site that has your branding, and you can generate your first commissions online, completely newbie friendly. You do not need a website or hosting because it is all hosted for you inside the Lazee Profitz system. So now let's take a look inside the actual Lazee Profitz software, and you can see we have different opportunities here on the side. So we have the traffic modules, we have the SEO modules, and affiliate settings. So first thing you're going to do is come to affiliate settings, and you can click on that, and you can then go ahead and add a site logo. You can add your name, you can put a bio, and you can upload an image. Okay, and that allows you to have the branding like this. Okay, I have my name here, okay, Jason Fulton, and a bio would be in here. So it's very easy to get that part of it set up. Then you go over your affiliate URL. Now these are just the URL that you want to use for the affiliate offer in question. So done for you lead pages. This would be a Warrior Plus offer. So then your affiliate link simply gets added, and then you're now hard coded right through all the offers. Alright, so very simple again. And here you can see the actual offers. You can enable or disable them depending on which ones you have your links for, and you can get started with right away. And you can obviously grab your link here and open it up as well if we click that. Okay, so rank real. Okay, again, all the reviews are there. It's all done for you. And then if you want to go and build an email list, okay, you can come here. We have Mailchimp, Get Response, Aweber integration, and that allows you to collect email addresses here on your site. Now you might be thinking, why would people want to put their email address in here? Well, you can actually give away free gifts by getting people to refer their friends. Alright, so once you log into this, you can see here that I'm already signed up, and I'll get a referral link. Now what this allows you to do is that every subscriber or customer of yours can then go and promote this for you, and then they'll build up referrals. Once they get enough referrals, you can set this in the back end. You can give them a gift, okay, and allows you then to become a viral site. So you can see if we go to the traffic part, you can see here we have lazy traffic, and then you can set these forms and messages and email triggers. Okay, so you can come in here and you can actually set the email that they get sent. So you can put anything you like on this email. So after a user gets free referrals, send an email of a premium case study download link. Okay, so once these subscribers use this viral system to generate traffic for you, you can actually monetize that. Okay, so you'll give them, once they give you free referrals, then they can get a premium case study sent, and then these trigger emails that you can edit to and give away whatever you like will be sent. So just think about all the extra viral traffic that you can receive by giving away and offering something exciting, and that is all editable in this back section here. You see forms, okay, you can see whatever you want to like, you change it. Here's the new message that you can have. Okay, so that's all available to you in this back end, and here you can see your referrals, alright, how many people have signed up, etc. Plus you got the SEO stuff here that allows you just to customize this to anything you like, if need be. And then obviously we have training and tutorials, alright, so that's all available for you. And finally the Lazee wheel. Now what is a Lazee wheel? Well, Lazee wheel is this thing here. We're going to click on it. Again, they can enter their email and they can get a prize. So let's enter an email. And then we'll try your luck. What this does, it spins, okay? So this is very exciting. People, use this a lot in e-commerce stores, and it'll give them a prize. Okay, congratulations, you won a prize. Go check your email address and see what you received. Inside that, it's all customizable inside here. You can write in the email, you can give something away for free, alright, but then you can still promote other stuff. Okay, you can send them to a free webinar, you can send them to a free case study, you can send them to a free plus shipping offer. Alright, there's so many different ways that you can use this, and it's all available inside. This is very unique. You've got all the available settings in here to change it up. But guys, think about all the different ways that you can use these two different ways to generate viral traffic and excitement onto your review site. Alright, so not many people are doing this. You're going to get access to a very lazy and easy system. Okay, all the reviews have been done for you. We're going to give you this viral traffic and a way that you can get these referrals to actually drive the traffic for you, and then give away gifts. And finally, you're going to use that lucky wheel that allows people to spin it. And this is all why you're building a email list. Alright, you're just going to simply input your affiliate ID. You're going to launch a brand new affiliate site. You don't need to do any articles or videos. You can see it's all very simple. It's all very done for you. There's some customization available. More importantly, when it comes to the two traffic versions, we can actually edit all these email triggers. You can send them to, like I said, to free offers. You can send them to CPA offers. You can send them to free webinars, free plus shipping offers. There are a lot of things that you can do with this viral traffic element that we have added using the Lazee wheel plus the Lazee traffic system. Alright, so guys, honestly, this has been a real quick review showing you just exactly what you're getting, how some of the stuff works. Once you're inside, we can go through. If you can feel like there's any problems, we have a support desk fully set up. Plus, we've got the training and tutorials to help you out. But you'll just get a site like this, and it's very quickly, easily editable to be branded for yourself, and you'll be able to go out there and get these done for you commissions in 60 seconds or less, and create that passive income lifestyle business with a simple click. Look forward to seeing you on the inside.